This is the brake screw for the caliper, for the brake pads. You can see it's got many teeth. There is a special tool for it. Master Grip has it. It's a 10-inch Master Grip. Here's what I want to show you. Many teeth, Master Grip. I used an extension, 3/8. Moving forward, I'm going to remove the tire now. I'm going to let loose the front ramp so the tire can hang on slag, so there's no friction and no pressure. Moving along, let's do that together. Since my camera is working, I'm going to place my phone down here. Here I go. Watch this happen without the bike dropping. There you go. No bike drop. My special ramp. Watch this, guys. Scroll on those videos. Not only mine, but you. This is for not placing degreaser from the Harley-Davidson dealership. I'm gonna have to loosen everything out. Not enough loosened bolts, I think. But that has nothing to do with the triple clamp. Has nothing to do with the nick tucks. What are they called? Pinch bolts. Just with the axle. I did use WD-40. Please make sure you use a lot of it. I'm gonna let this wheel hang. Spray some more WD-40 on the shit. Want to have everything really loosened. Let me do that. What I got here, my special tools. Don't want to lose anything. Now, if I'm technically a mechanic for the years that I've been, this should be a size 13. It's a size 14. Not bad. There it is, size 14. There it is. It's torqued because it doesn't cause any pressure, power, stress. So it's torqued. Just take the bolts out. Don't lose nothing. Of course, you're gonna apply Loctite when you will reconnect everything back to its place. No, please, no. Placing of the screw the wrong way, of the bolts, and no cross threading. This tuck washer to its spec, still fine, I believe. I'm gonna spray some shit on it, keep it fresh. Dirty the wife's floor, but better. There it is. There it is. So yeah, sorry about that. Harley did put some degreaser on. I'm gonna put more. Make sure you have your degreaser before you decide to take off your wheel. Shit came off by itself. Now you got two washers here. The thick one goes where the screwdriver to pull out the bolt. And the thin one, right here, the thin one, goes where the brake caliper is. Again, if you have my bike, 1200C. Fucking clean them out, wash them out. Front tire is loose. It didn't take off. Shit. I didn't take off the fender. I thought I didn't have to. And now I see why. It's either release of the air or taking off the fender. So what I will do is put the shit back and take the fender off. You see, guys? I'm giving you something to watch and laugh about. Subscribe to my channel. You don't want to fucking knock this out like I just did. Nothing happened. I've seen worse. I'm just gonna take off the fender. Keep this, remember where they go. This is the thin one, this is the thick one. Thin, thick, they're well greased. So I'm gonna put some elbow grease on that. Thin, thin, thick. Remember the thin one, brake caliber. The thick one, it goes on the pull out, where you pull out the rod. Nice and greased. Graphite, anti-seize. I got some lithium shit. That's all Home Depot had down here. So I'm gonna take out the fender. Taking out the fender, I would need Allen tool. To my Allen keys. Here we go. Now, I'm not good at all with Allens, but look at this. I got it on the first shot. It's a 6. I'm not good with Allen measurements. If this is good on its torque specs, which it is, everything is factory. This is the first time I'm doing anything to my bike. Everything is factory torque. This is the first time it's been loosened, taken apart. Make sure you don't strip anything. Slowly, easy does it, like Rocco says. Easy does it. I do have better tools for this job. I'm gonna use a 7. I do have better tools for this job. I'll be right back with that. 6 does it well, so it's gonna be a metric. Let me see. Try. Now these are ball Allen. 1/4. And it's not working. Cheap shit. Not gonna name what brand they are, but they're cheap. So I gotta work harder with this one. What can I use? This one was working well. Let's maybe 5.5, 6.6. Get a bigger Allen key. Six. Let's try this. Now the torque spec is not for these keys. This is for inch pounds, not for foot-pounds. This is for pounds. You can tell when you feel it in your wrist. Foot-pounds is tighter, much tighter. I got this trick. Let me be right back. I got this homemade key here, which I'm going to show you how I use. And take this off. Again, 6. You hear it going, guys? It's working. Sorry, you gotta see the floor. It's either that or I hold my camera and there's a whole bunch of music to my ears as a mechanic that I am for many years. Alright, you hear that drop? That's because this is a homemade tool. I couldn't just buy one set, one piece. I need to buy a set. Here, let me show you what I'm doing. I had to buy a set. So what I did is, there you are. I made it myself. Cut an Allen key, put a 6mm in it. I'm gonna use it for the bottom forks to drain out the oil. I don't have hole. Sorry about this, guys. I'm professional, right? Watch my video, I'm creative. That's what YouTube is about, creativity. Now, when I get this ball going, and you start hearing this Allen crunching, we're well on our way. There we go. Torque specs. I gotta make sure it's foot-pounds, but remember, 12 inches to a foot. $12 to a foot, guys. So it has to pass an inch before it hits a foot, right? Of course, I'm gonna use a lot of WD-40 on this. You hear that scraping around? I gotta put a key in there. It's not coming all the way out, but they're loose. Do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing. Get the torque out of the way. No, they won't let me. I gotta put a key in there. I've seen girls do a better job than me, guys. This is how funny this is. Watch my video, subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of fun together. I'm creative. I'm also a prankster. So what key we're gonna use if it's a 6 Allen? I wanna say 7/16. Any girls out there that could prove me wrong? Let's see, guys. It's not a 7/16. I'm gonna go one size up and I'm gonna say a 1/2 inch. See, this could be fundamental. You could learn a lot. Test yourself. There it is, it's a 1/2 inch. Who said 1/2 inch is right? You see, guys, subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of fun together. Put you to the test yourself. There we go. Now we're getting the fender on. So if you're wondering what I named my baby's name is, it's a translation that there's some Loctite on this. I'm still gonna put WD-40 to keep everything smooth. Smooth. That's what my t-shirt's gonna be. Logo, smooth. SH. MOOTH. Smooth. Yeah. Who has done this before? Leave a comment, let me know. Yeah, my tools are no snap-on tools. That's why you saw the... Oh, you probably heard the cap. Here's what I mean. Just slid right off with WD-40 with my hands. So my neighbor's up. Happy New Year's, everybody, if you just joined us. Happy New Year's. Having a situation here with the tire. Gotta move it out of the way. Turn to the other side. I'll do that. Yeah, I told my wife New Year's Day I'll be working on my bike. Because I want the whole new year to be on my bike. Drive safe out there. There it is. There it is. I want to use the bitch. Why I say this? Because the previous owner, yeah, I'm not rich, can't buy a new one out of the shelf. If it would have been a new one, it would have been, who knows what it would have been? Who's already subscribed to my channel? Who knows why I chose to support